Have you ever wondered why 2 ears were given to us, and only 1 mouth? Could it be that listening and understanding are twice as important as speaking? Therein lies a tale of a Zen master named Nanin, and a visitor who sought his wisdom. The visitor, brimming with enthusiasm, arrived at Nanin's humble abode, eager to learn about the profound philosophy of Zen. Yet, instead of being an eager listener, the visitor found himself entranced by the sound of his own voice, endlessly sharing his own interpretations and ideas about Zen. As the visitor carried on with his monologue, Nanin calmly began to serve tea. He filled the visitor's cup, and when it was full, he kept pouring. The tea spilled over the brim, cascading onto the table, yet Nanin did not stop. The visitor watched in shock and finally blurted out, "Stop! Can't you see it's full? You can't get any more in." Nanin paused and replied, "Just so, and like this cup, you are filled with your own ideas. How can you expect me to give you Zen unless you offer me an empty cup?" The tale of Nanin and his visitor offers a valuable lesson, a metaphor for life and learning. Much like the overflowing cup of tea, our minds can become so saturated with our own thoughts, beliefs, and ideas that there is no room left for new knowledge, new perspectives, or new ways of understanding the world around us. If we're always talking, always asserting our own ideas, we leave no space to listen, to learn, and to grow. Listening, therefore, is not a passive act. It is an active process that requires us to empty our cups, to set aside our preconceived notions, and to open ourselves to the wisdom of others. It is only when we truly listen that we can truly understand. And it is only when we truly understand that we can attain wise counsel. In summary, the importance of listening and understanding cannot be overstated. The tale of Nanin serves as a potent reminder that our minds are like cups. To fill them with new knowledge, we must first empty them of our own preconceptions. It is a call to be more than just hearers, but to be listeners, learners, and understanding individuals. It is a call to attain wise counsel, and in the words of Proverbs, "A wise man will hear, and a man of understanding shall attain unto wise counsels."